Hello, what's up guys? For today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to change gun skins in the finals. And as you can see here in the user interface, you have the different options. But what we're going to do is click on edit at the bottom part of the screen. Once you're in, it will show you the different options that you can choose from. You have weapons, you have gadgets, you can also click on specialization and reserves. But in this tutorial, we'll be showing you how to change gun skins. So click on weapon, and under it, click on the customize button. And it will pop up this option bar. And as you can see, we have different gun skin options. And you also have unloadable options, as you can see here, that you still have to unlock in order to choose from. So, for example, we have click this gun skin, and you may choose to buy or preview the bundle, but you also have to be aware of the game currency amount that you have. But in this case, we have 10,000, and this one costs 1,100. So, click on that, and after clicking buy, I will show you this prompt. You just have to click on buy again, and it will show you this interface that you have purchased the gun skin. And just lastly, click on equip, and then once you're in, you have other options like adding stickers or adding charms, like you can see here on the left tab side of the screen. And that's it. You can also choose from different options like gadgets or reserves. Thank you guys for watching. Have a nice day.